Let's talk about where to find ideas in writing. Ideas are quite literally everywhere. As cliche as that sounds, you can find an idea to write about by looking just about anywhere. The key is to know what you're looking for. So on our anchor chart, I broke down the word ideas and gave you some ideas for each letter. So, for example, with the I, you might find an idea in the car. So, let's say you're driving and you see an old barn that's broken down. Maybe there's some cows. It's my best cow, real quick. Put some spots on them. But you see these things as you're driving in the car. Maybe those spark an idea. Perhaps you're reading a book that you really love right now. So I'm reading a book called Rescue. And this book is all about World War II and the Holocaust, which is a topic that I am really interested in. And I love historical fiction. That is one of my favorite genres to read. So, if you have a favorite genre to read, that could be a really good idea of something to write about. You also have investigation. So, this could be um, investigating a science experiment, right? Or maybe a science experiment gone wrong. This could be investigating, like being a secret spy. Maybe you imagine that you're a spy. Any of those things would be great. Continuing down the list, you have things like going on vacation. Sometimes when you're doing chores, you might spark an idea. It may not have anything to do with chores, but you might have a little moment of an aha, a little light bulb, right? And that little light bulb could give you an idea of something to write about. Maybe you really enjoy a hobby that you want to write about, or you're talking with your mom and you spark an idea. Maybe after you've read a story, this is a great place for an extension where you continue the story on, right? What happens next? You may find ideas when you're hanging out with friends or sitting outside. Often, when I'm sitting outside on a pretty sunny day, I might come up with an idea of something to write about. So, I want you to think about ideas for writing as something that is everywhere. All you need to do is take a look and think about, where can I find ideas? What can I write about? And go from there.